Hi guys, dahil nagpi-pickleball tayo ay bumili tayo ng smartwatch. And unbox natin. Yan. Aolon Watch GT6 Pro. Yan. Tingnan natin. Actually, binuksan ko na to nung na-receive ko, but pakita ko lang sa inyo. Meron siyang free extra wrist strap. Maganda to. Metallic. And then ito yung watch. Ganda guys, oh. May kasama pa siyang isang strap, so for work. Ayan, ganda. So meron akong black strap and brown strap for work, and ito pa, silver. So pwede kong pagpalit-palitin tatlo. Then meron na siyang, of course, charging cable niya. USB. Ayan, USB. Yes. And ang kanyang QR code. You can check the QR code, download the app. Ito yung app pala. Kita natin. So once you scan the QR code, ito yung app. Mamimili ka ng watch mo dyan sa app aolonfit.com. So GT6 Pro. And then yun, lalabas na siya. Ayan. Then download mo Android or iPhone. So the download ko yan mamaya. I think pwede rin to sa Strava. So if you are into Strava, i-download nyo rin yun and set it up. So for this one, yan. Of course, the-download ko na siya. Get. So while it's installing, we're gonna check the phone. May flashlight siya guys, oh. Ayan, flashlight. And then marami actually siyang theme na pwede mong cycling, tennis, badminton. I guess pwede yun sa badminton or tennis for the pickleball. Ayan. And then actually ang dami, may volleyball, may hacking nga din dito, and then dancing. So that will be cool. Mag-dance ako, makukuha ko yung calories ko. And then the obvious one, the other health function that you want to do, like your sleeping, etc. So guys, ito siya, oh. Ganda. Tingnan niya. Aolon watch.